So this is part 1 of self-care for the caregiver. I suggest I'm going to be doing a series of different techniques that we're going to layer in, and we're going to just create great, excellent resources for you. I suggest practicing them when you don't want to bang your head against the wall, because then they'll be there for you in those challenging moments, okay? For this one, it's really simple. We're going to start real simple with just a nice, slow, deep breath in. And when you exhale, exhale twice as long. One more. Exhaling twice as long. This downregulates the nervous system. Then the next one is to shift into your peripheral vision. Without moving your eyes, begin to expand your awareness of all that peripheral space around you. The walls on either side. Imagine you can expand that space even more. Expanding so that it almost feels like you can be aware of that space behind you. Shifting out. Excellent. I love this one because not only does shifting into peripheral vision begin the process of downregulating into parasympathetic nervous system, but you have a tendency to stop internal dialogue. It's my own personal mantra. I use this all the time. Shift out and shut up. That's my own. I use this countless times a day. So without moving your eyes, you shift out, you shut up. You start by those down-regulating breaths, which is slow, deep breaths in, exhaling twice as long. You do 2 of those, 3 of those, and you're really relaxed. And then you shift out and shut up. In the next video, we'll add to it.